Welcome to Brobench. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to customize the main tab layout. The main tab layout is the one that is shown on the top of the Brobench application. Some of the tabs are fixed, means you can't close them, and some of them are not. And some of the tabs are automatically shown when you open the tab for the first time. So they're called fixed or initial tabs. So far, we have had the capability to show only the predefined set of tabs in that particular order. But based on the feature request, we have added the capability to customize that particular tab layout. So to do that, you can go to the Brobench menu, app menu, click on settings, go to the preferences, and then select custom here. So if it is default, it shows the default, of course, and you can select the custom. When you select the custom, you can click on the edit tab layout. Here it will show various tabs and what order you want to show them. For example, let's say I want the query to be shown as the first tab because I query a lot. Or also I've been doing the debug logging, so I want the debug log to be the next that is shown after that. For example, let's say here like that. You can also customize if the tab should be closable, like a debug log. When it's shown for the first time, I should be able to close so that I can reclaim some of the memory, because if I open big logs and it can consume memory, right? So you can customize that. So you can reorder however you want, and then you can select one and then select, for example, let's say I want API Explorer as well. I don't use search that much. I can relate it, and then, okay, so this order. You can go click on OK. So notice that when you click OK, you are still not saved it. Make sure that you click on save to save the changes. So once you save the changes, make sure that you refresh the page for the new changes to take effect. So if you refresh it, and then it will lay out the tabs however you requested this time. Okay, for example, the debug logs, which is closable because you said you want to be able to close that if you don't use it. And if you do close it, you can bring it back. Obviously, go here and click on the module, it'll open it up. So this basically impacts how the initial tab layout is. It not necessarily restrict you from opening any module later point in time, just the order on the initial tabs that is shown when you open the app by default. Okay. So this is customize the tab layout. So if you're not, if you don't care the custom, you want to go back to the default, of course, you can just click on the default and save it. And then when you refresh it, you're going to get the default layout back. But if you want to go back to the custom, you can go back and the previous, whatever you configured, it's still there, just that it is not in effect. So then if you go and save it, then if you refresh, you're going to get back to that particular layout. Okay. So I hope you guys like this capability. Thank you.